Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Vydia.com offers a comprehensive suite of tools tailored for music distribution and rights management. It simplifies the often complex process of getting your music onto major platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and TikTok, while also providing robust features for monetizing your content and protecting your intellectual property. A key strength of Vydia lies in its streamlined approach to distribution. The platform guides you through each step, from uploading your tracks and artwork to setting release dates and territories. This user-friendly interface makes it accessible to artists of all levels, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your musical journey. Furthermore, Vydia offers advanced analytics and reporting tools, providing valuable insights into your audience and the performance of your music. You can track streams, downloads, and revenue across various platforms, allowing you to understand what resonates with your listeners and refine your release strategy accordingly. Beyond distribution, Vydia excels in its rights management capabilities. The platform helps you identify and collect royalties owed to you from various sources, including streaming platforms, radio airplay, and even user-generated content on platforms like YouTube. This ensures that you receive fair compensation for your work and maintain control over your intellectual property. Another noteworthy feature is Vydia's collaborative tools, which enable you to work seamlessly with your team, label, or other stakeholders. You can manage permissions, share data, and streamline communication, fostering a more efficient and transparent workflow. In conclusion, Vydia presents a powerful and integrated platform for music distribution and rights management. Its user-friendly interface, comprehensive analytics, and robust royalty collection tools make it an invaluable resource for musicians looking to navigate the complexities of the music industry and maximize their earning potential. Check out the link in the description and explore Vydia for yourself. Remember, this has been my personal take on the platform.